Good morning everyone. Welcome back to your computer class of class 3rd. Students, how are you? Hope you all are safe and stay at home. In the last video, chapter was explained a computer system. In this chapter, you have learned parts of computers, functions of computers, types of hardware and IPO cycle. Now today we will do chapter 1 exercise. All these three headings we will do today. Exercise work. First question answer, second multiple choice question and third fill in the blanks. Firstly we will do question answer. So student, take out your computer notebook and write down the question answer. See page number 11. Answer the following question. Student, you have to write in the same way as you can see this picture. Mention the date, CW, page number 11, chapter 1, computer system. Answer the following question. Write the first question. How do we define a computer? How do we define a computer? Write the answer. A computer is an electronic machine that can store, organize and find information and do calculation. A computer is an electronic machine that can store, organize and find information and do calculation. Next, second question. Name the various parts of a computer. Name the various parts of a computer. Answer. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, UPS, etc. I repeat once again. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, UPS, etc. The next, third question is given in two parts, A and B. A. What is hardware? Write the answer. Hardware are the machinery and electronic parts of a computer that can be felt and touched. I repeat once again. Hardware are the machinery and electronic parts of a computer that can be felt and touched. B part. Software. Software are the program used to operate the computer. Software are the program used to operate the computer. Fourth question. What are the main functions of the computer? What are the main functions of the computer? Answer. There are four main functions of computer. These are: first, entering the data, processing the data. Third, data storage. Fourth, output of data processing. I repeat once again. Entering the data, processing the data, data storage, output of data processing. Next, fifth, name the various parts of a computer hardware. Name the various parts of a computer hardware. Answer. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner and printer. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner and printer. The last question is, what is IPO cycle? What is IPO cycle? Right answer. IPO stand for input, process, output. The computer system accepts data as input, processes it and provides the required output. IPO stand for input, process, output. The computer system accepts data as input, processes it and provides the required output. Have you done, student? Next, page number 12. B. Multiple choice question. Tick the correct option. Student, you will do in book. First, a computer is an dash machine. Here three options are given. One is correct. The correct option is B. Electronic. Computer is an electronic machine. Second, CPU is the dash of a computer. CPU is the dash of a computer. Answer B. Brain. CPU is the brain of a computer. Student, you have to write the answer in blank also here. Third, a keyboard has about dash keys on it. How many keys? 27, 105, 624. The correct option is 105. Fourth, dash has got a stick to give signals. Correct option is B, joystick. Next, fill in the blanks. First, dash is used to move things on a computer screen. Answer first is mouse. Second, dash is used to input our work. Keyboard. Keyboard is used to input our work. Third, dash is preceded by the CPU. Answer data. Fourth, dash is an output device. Printer. Printer is an output device. So student, have you done? Now write the homework. See, activity time. Let's have fun. Draw the picture of a computer monitor in your scrapbook. Here you will draw in this box and also learn all work. Okay student? Till here your chapter is completed.